Margie TV. Well, as you can see, it lightened up. It's a little cool in here. Actually, it's really nice and cool out now. There's still thunder in the distance. Ooh, got some rain in here. As I said, I got all the grass cut, moved everything close. Yeah, it's definitely still raining. You should have seen it before. It was really dark. Couldn't even see back there. It's like all back here was a great big, it's like cave. In the afternoon, it's like, wow, scary. So let's see what's happening in the front.
Geolocation, if you will, so it's able to kind of tag your location, not super specific, so we shouldn't be able to see your address, but we'll see what part of the area you are in and where you're sending us these images from, and so we can really paint the picture for your neighbors about what you're seeing. So thank you in advance for those who've been tagging us and sending us some images. We really appreciate it, and I do think the one that looks right here is a reminder of the
Okay, it's not wet. I thought the mat would be wet, but oh my gosh. See, he had to even cover it. Everything's fine now. It's quiet. Yep, made it just in time, Margie. Better rock off. So, shout out to North Carolina. Hope all you are safe in Rock Hill, Penn Rock Hill. Probably don't remember me, but I think I have to clean the gutters out. Mom's like, "What are you doing?" I'm giving you an update to let you know that we're okay. We're okay. So watch the previous videos, and then you would know what I'm talking about. I know you're saying rain. Oh, it's raining. No, it was the wind was blowing, and it was crazy, and this was awful. And if you notice, I brought the garbage cans in the garage. So let's go check on Sam.
Not something where you're going to be partially exposed, perhaps. I've seen people get struck by lightning on front porches under overhangs.
Well, and if something like that falls on a number of people, you just don't know what type of injuries they
Right,
could lead to deaths as well. And no one wants that, especially.
Did you lock the door down?
Yes.
It was part of a championship, obviously. There's a different movement issues there.
It's quiet now. What are you doing? You made a mess in here, Sam. You knocked all the blankets and everything down. It's safe now, Sam. Everything's okay. Everything's okay. See, I even made sure that I brought the picture of Lynn in the bathroom to keep her secure, too, in case I lost all my stuff. Oh, what's this? It's my bike helmet from high school. The Wolf Pack. Here's your Mortal Kombat. Mom's like, make sure you bring your helmet in there. Well, the inside is all messed up. And on the back always said, stay clear. As I said, this thing was soaking wet from the sweat from my previous video. So everything's okay, Sam. You're all good. All right, well, if you want to stay in here, you can stay in here. It all's good now. My mom's like, you better close the laundry room door just in case, because, well, she was worried that we were in some kind of... Why is it every time I walk through, there's a darn spider web somewhere? Are the spiders getting all freaked out, too? See? I told you I had to bring in the garbage cans. Got some stuff over there. I really got prepared for this storm, so. Man, I was gonna do another different video today, and it didn't work out. Shout out to everyone. Shout out. That glows in the dark, you know. You see it? You see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Turn off your lights and you'll see the glow. As I said, that glows in the dark. Same with the garbage can. That glows in the dark too. Oh, did you come out? I told you everything's okay now. I put the door stopper back. It's still raining though, Sam. You might have to wait. You're going back in, huh? Okay, well, make sure you protect Len in there. Yeah, the sun just came out.
We're not done. There's going to be a lull for many hours later this evening, but overnight, that's what's heading our way for the wee hours of the morning. So I'd love to tell you we're out of the woods and clear from severe. We're not clear from severe for the night, guys. We're going to have more storms into tomorrow morning.
Yeah, more storms.
And break down that timing so we can prepare for wave number 2. Well, you were talking about power outages. We're still sitting around 105,000 around the area. The storm has moved through pretty quickly. So Duke Energy reporting 34,000 outages, with many of them reported in Gaston County. So obviously be aware.
They say that when the sun comes out, that's where it's really scary because you might have a tornado.
Getting some pretty striking images from our crews who are out on scene in various areas. We know our Austin Walker has been kind of moving around Belmont, Mount Holly. Austin, got some cleanup behind you right now.
Yeah, already. You know, we're just, I'm not kidding, like 30 minutes past the storm, people are already out here trying to clean up right now. But this just shows you how hard that wind was whipping up here. Actually, I'll show you over here. You can see this tree has split right at the base and it has fallen under 2 cars. This guy actually is a neighbor and he's helping out this homeowner trying to get the tree off their car right now. But again, it's an all hands on deck situation. If you turn the camera to the left, you can see people are just hauling those limbs away, placing them on the side of the street. Again, all hands on deck. You know, the rainbow at the end of the storm, if I could maybe say this right now. But again, we saw a lot of fierce and extremely powerful winds in this area. We saw a big wooden fence at the end of the road completely toppled over. This just shows you how aggressive that storm was, how fast it came, how hard it blew, and how fast it left. That being said, again, we are seeing power outages across the area, like Vanessa has said. We're seeing outages in Gastonia where we were going to be going to, but we saw this had to pull over because of the cleanup was already underway here. And we also see power outages also in South End as well. Again, people right now already in the cleanup stage, so make sure to be prepared. Have the chainsaws at the ready. You know, we're going to have a lot of people around the area doing exactly what these folks behind here. I asked one of them, I said, you know, what was it like when you heard that? They said it was a big crash and a bang when that tree did fall. That being said, I think people are mostly up in the spirits right now. But again, power lines are a big thing to think about as these trees and limbs did fall down. It could have impacted your power. Again, Duke Energy reporting thousands and thousands right now.
That's not in our area. No worries.
So made throughout the area, but we'll send it back to you guys for now.
All right, thank you so much, Austin. And as we see, Duke Energy has just tweeted out that 70,000 customers currently without power in Mecklenburg County as of 5 p.m.
Out of 105,000 of the whole Charlotte Metro, a lot of cleanup that's going to be taking place over the next several hours. We have other crews that are stationed around different areas as well. We had KJ Jacobs, who was out in the storm tracker not too long ago, giving us some pretty unreal views. And we saw him basically inside that storm tracker with the camera pointed at some of the conditions, the vehicle rocking, the visibility reduced. I mean, you couldn't even see out of.
I mean, the rain was flying at him, straight at him. It wasn't going down. It was like right at him. So let's. I think we're going to check in with KJ Jacobs if we have him right now, giving us a perspective potentially.
Okay, so we're waiting for him to get his shot up. I will say, I mean, he had pulled over because the visibility was so bad and the wind was so bad where he was driving in Belmont. And we saw the roadways totally jammed in that area.
And maybe that's why I'm seeing the map the way it is. We probably can't put it on air, but it looks like 77 south. It is all red in that direction. 45 doesn't look much better. And as you're headed 77 north, even towards Huntersville and Cornelius, it is
Yeah,
red.
thank you
So
for
we've
watching.
told people if you can stay where you're at, if you're at home, perfect. If you're at work,